look what the cat drew again. This is an 8-horse Murray, or 8-horse Tecumseh off of a old Murray, like a 90s Murray. Okay, I gotta show you something. If this ain't seized up, then I don't know what is. This is all ice. So if that ain't seized up, I don't know what is. So, it actually kind of unseized itself. It only turned about halfway. Now I've got the head off. Let's see if she'll turn the whole revolution. Ooh, she does. Good. Take the head gasket off. Ooh, she does. This motor might actually not be too hard to get running in. Check the starter motor, it's in good shape. Oh, it's unseized. I didn't even do a damn thing. It unseized itself, really. Just I'm starting to wonder if the valves are sticking too much. I can tell I got a bent rod. Something, because that's crooked as hell. Let's try this. Okay. I guess you could call this 8-horse Tecumseh strip down part 1. Until that exhaust valve, I think it's wait. Huh. Gotta get a rag. I'm gonna clean off that piston. Damn it. Where'd the damn thing get out there? Look at all that. Ugh. Tell that valve ain't sitting very well. Tell it's still stuck up there a little bit. Get these ice chips off without scratching. Well, I'd say that's pretty clean for now. I'm going to open up this bottom valve. I believe I was told by someone, I think it was David Farm, that most of the time it's the exhaust valve that is bigger. Oh, that's the bigger valve, that bottom one. I finally got the head off. It was actually, I forgot about one bolt. I didn't see it because it's still covered in rat nest and stuff. I ended up breaking a few of these off. Hopefully I don't do too much damage. Yeah. So, she's unseized. Can you believe that? It spins freely. Not an ounce of pressure. Okay. Get this. Clean the seats off a little bit where the valve sits. So that'll help. I don't know, that valve just sticks out a little bit more. I guess not. I guess it's both level. Well, I guess this is a project in itself. Here, I'll show you. The starter motor works. I'm going to show you the spark plug too. You can't see it, but there's ice everywhere on it. Well, anyway, the spark, not the spark, get the spark, but it's not. I don't think we're getting these sparks. Not surprised either. It's gonna take a lot of work. Well, we're gonna see this motor in action. Dangler jig. Oops. Starter motor, it's alive. I want to say something before my camera dies. I pulled this off the mower. As soon as I pulled it off, like unseized itself, but it only turned halfway. Well, from my knowledge, I thought, shit, I've got to seize the valve. So I got damn lucky on this motor so far. So I gotta say, this is 1 point for Tecumsehs. I guess they're just about as good as brakes. So, I guess this is part 1 of, I don't know, maybe another